Zoom y'all in. Hola, surprise, it's me, Sassysamey or Sam here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you're having an amazing day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today's video is going to be in Ipsy unbagging boxing what I got in my Ipsy bag for the month of August. Crazy, I know. Next month will be my birthday month. Really excited. So I will be doing one really big giveaway, which I'm very excited for because I've already started gathering all of the stuff that I want to put in it. So let's just jump into the video. Boop. So this is the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of August. If you guys aren't aware, or if you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly subscription box. I have two monthly subscription boxes. One is BoxyCharm, which is brand new to the family. Let's open the bag. The bag for this month looks like this. Oh, it's orange and yellow. My favorite color is yellow, so I'm pretty excited for this. So cute. Alright, so what's inside of here? Oh, also you get 4 to 5 beauty products. Majority of them are sample sizes, and then some are full sizes. So you don't know what you get until you open it. The first thing that I see is a very small tube of the Answer from Black Volume Gold Radiant Cream with blackberry extract, intense hydration, refreshing soft moisturizer for all skin types. I like small bottles of moisturizers like this because I take it with me on the plane, so then that way I put it on a moisturizer, because when you on the plane, girl, your skin is like, where's the moisture? So when you have a small little bottle like this, TSA ain't gonna stop you, because this thing is like the smallest. It's hella small, you know what I'm saying? The next thing is the Murad Age Reform Exfoliating Cleanser. But I'm very excited because I've never tried this before. Most exfoliating cleansers for me break me out because it's too rough on my skin. Like the apricot scrubs, I can't do, okay? Because it really irritates the hell out of my skin and then I'll break out. This one doesn't have a scent, so that's good. Use AM and PM massage over your dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. So I put a little bit on my hand. It is, I can feel the little pieces of sand, I feel like, that's on there. But I'm excited to try it out because, I mean, hey, exfoliators are good for your skin because it rubs off all of the dead skin cells that are on top, and when you use an exfoliator, it reveals all the good skin that's at the bottom. It's good to exfoliate at least once a week. For me, I use a really, really gentle exfoliator because my skin breaks out very easily, so I'm very excited to try that out and see how it works, because if I like it, then I found a new exfoliator. The next thing in here is by Kaleido. I'm probably saying that really wrong. Cosmetics, but it looks like that. If y'all know how to pronounce that, let me know in the bottom, in the comments down below. This is a skin blush. It's a softest skin blush. It is cruelty-free no matter what. How cute is that? It's certified vegan and gluten-free. Gluten-free? Do you eat this? But look at the packaging. Super cute. Super, super cute. And this is the blush. And it's a really pretty peach color. So that looks really nice. Looks like that. I don't know if that's going to actually show up on my skin. Oh, okay. Very pearlescent. Obviously I won't apply that much on my skin, but it shows up. The next thing in here is the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black. I'm gonna guess this is a mascara. Is this a mascara or what is it? Oh, it is a mascara. Wow, this is like the smallest sample size I've ever seen in my life of a mascara. Okay. Doesn't smell weird. So the brush looks like this. It has a pointed tip. So that'll be really good for getting it right there and like all around. Pretty! I'm excited for that one. And the very last thing in here is by Laritzi Cosmetics. It is a lipstick / lip crayon. It's paraben free. This one is in the color Plum. I like Plum. Oh yeah. That is pretty. That's gonna be a pretty shade. I already know. Hell yeah. That's, ooh, hell yeah. That's a pretty shade. I'm really excited to try that on one. But I'm very excited for that one. I love lip crayons because it's really, really easy to wear throughout the day. Also, it comes off very easily because there are some liquid lipsticks that will not come off for your lips. So I'm really excited for this. I'm excited to try the exfoliator. I'm going to try that today because my skin needs some exfoliating. The blush, I don't know if I'm ever actually going to use this shade because it is very, very light. So it might not even show up on my actual face. Shall we test it out? Because I have blush, but I don't have that much. You don't see that? Yeah, see? It looks too pale on me. Also, I might have grabbed my highlighting brush, but it's like too pink for my skin tone. Like, I feel like a baby doll in this. I might give that away to my sister because she has lighter skin. But I'm very excited for the hydrating thing. I'm gonna use this when I apply my makeup tomorrow and see. And then I'm gonna try this little itty bitty MAC mascara and see how that works out. So anyways, that is basically all that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of August. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super quick, super simple. There will be a couple of videos coming out this week. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for videos, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see. Also, I'm very excited for my birthday giveaways, and also October is coming up, so that means that Halloween will be right around the corner, and then Christmas. I'm ready. Also, there's Thanksgiving in between that, but we're not going to talk about that because I can't eat anything at Thanksgiving. But Christmas is coming up and I'm very, very, very excited. So anyways, that is it. I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will leave all of my links down below for you to go ahead and follow. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, I will leave that down below in the description box, or it will be all around here somewhere. And I will see you in my next video.